Michelle Bay, and I have been with the Walsh Group for 6 years. I am currently working at one of Becton Dickinson's medical device manufacturing plants in Columbus, Nebraska. We have been here for 2 years helping BD renovate different portions of their production facility to incorporate new molding machines and build a 132,000 square foot addition with a molding room, offices, and warehouse space, which you can see behind me. I began my career with the Walsh Group after college. I wasn't sure of my career preference through high school. However, I did like math, and my math teacher at the time suggested that I should attend an engineering camp. My parents thought it made sense to explore engineering, and so they signed me up for an engineering camp the summer prior to my senior year of high school. I actually enjoyed the camp and followed through by pursuing a degree in civil engineering from the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I gained experience through engineering internships, and my internship between my junior and senior year was with the Walsh Group. That internship was a great experience. It allowed me to learn about the company and the incredible range of projects they undertake. I spent my first year in the main office working on estimating and proposals for the aviation team. Then Jeff Pezza with the building group reached out for volunteers to work in Cleveland, Ohio, working on a hotel for the Cleveland Clinic. That was my first project outside of Chicago. After the hotel was completed, I learned of a 46-story high-rise project in downtown Nashville called 505. The Walsh team needed additional members, and I was able to further my career growth on that project. This was followed by my current work in Columbus, Nebraska, where I am the lead on-site manager for this project and have gained experience in industrial manufacturing the past 2 years. I love working for the Walsh Group because of the diversity of the projects I've worked on and the experience and opportunities that brings. The Walsh Group, even though large, is a family company. I have never felt like a number here. I've always felt I'm a valued member of a team. A few months ago, I was